Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks, box break number 430, and today we've got box number 5 of the second inner case of 2021 SP Authentic. It's been a while since the last 2021 SP Authentic break. If you guys do remember back to the fourth box from the second inner, it was a hot box, 5 autos, as box number 3 from the second inner didn't have any autographs at all. So I'm very interested to see how these last 4 boxes pan out. Are the remaining 4 boxes going to be normal 2 or 3 autograph boxes? Or are we going to see another non-auto box? And then hopefully, if we do see another one of those, we also see another one of those hot boxes with 4 or 5 autographs. We'll have to wait and see. This is box number 5 from the second inner of 2021 SP Authentic. And today we've got box number 368. Let's get into it. If I remember correctly, as I said, it has been a while since box number 4, but if I do remember correctly, we have not seen a patch in the second inner yet, so it'd be nice to see a patch or acetate here today, but let's get into it. I believe the autos have been on the left side, so let's flip through these quickly. Retro base Nikita Kucherov. We know if we see the spectrums that the autographs are to follow underneath. True leaders, Connor McDavid. Celebrated moments, Tyler Toffoli. Retro base, Jake Gensel. True leaders, Austin Matthews. Sorry, John Tavares. I was looking off to the side. I just seen the leaf out of the corner of my eye there. Looking at my base stack. Red limited, Rasmus Dahlin. I will make sure I look at the card this time. Not making sure that my base stack on the side is not falling over. Retro base, Sebastian Aho. Celebrated moments, Steven Stamkos. True leaders, Roman Josi. Wow, folks, I can't believe what just happened. This has never happened before. This is box break number 430, our 5th box of inner number 2 of 2021 SP Authentic. I was halfway through recording the break and the camera app on my phone crashed, and I just checked my photo albums and the first half of this box is nowhere to be found. it completely deleted the video that it was recording when the camera app on my phone crashed. I have never had this happen before. I honestly don't even really know what to say. I was mid-pack opening there when the camera crashed. Dylan Strome, retro base. We have not had an autograph or anything yet. So this is what was pulled. I swear I recorded it, and when the camera crashed, it cut the video, and it is not in my photo album. So I literally do not have video proof of the first half of this box, but here's what was pulled. Kucherov, True Leaders, McDavid, Toffoli, Gensel, Tavares, Dallin, Aho, Stamkos, EOC, and then the Strome from the pack that was literally, I was mid-pack opening it. I'm lost for words, truthfully. If this wasn't part of a whole masterpiece that I have brought you, I would have probably just thrown these packs in for 6-pack Saturdays, but I don't want to scrap. I want to show this box because I've showed every other box of the inner case. So I guess let's continue on with a half box break and hope that the camera app doesn't crash again and I lose that too. Like, celebrated moments, Pekka Rinne. I've had the camera app on my phone crash about a half a dozen times over the years, but I've always had the video up until the crash save on my phone, in which I can just blend two videos together. Red Limited Malkin. Go with another Red Limited here. But Red Limited, pure Luc Dubois. Truthfully, this is completely flustered me, and I am quite irritated actually. Non-auto Future Watch, Mikhail Burden. That is number 95? 95 of 999. Mikhail Burden. A Future Watch Spectrum. Oh, just a regular Spectrum, okay. Okay, this is going to be the weirdest box break I've ever posted. I just pulled a Spectrum FX Igor Shesterkin. I have 3 packs left to go. My camera app on my phone crashed again. I checked the photo album, and now the first part prior to the first crash is in my photo album. So I am going to get the full box break posted. This has dumbfounded me. Let's get through these last 3 packs before the camera on my phone crashes again. This is going to be a Future Watch Spectrum. Ooh, nice. Future Watch Spectrum FX, a level 3 Bowen Byram. All right, and now our 2 autos. Please do not crash. We've got an autographed Future Watch. Alexander Romanov. Very nice. 818 of 999. Alexander Romanov. Unfortunately, last I checked, his values were down quite a bit as he's no longer with the Habs. But Alexander Romanov, Future Watch auto. Nice pull there. And final pack of the break. It's been a totally bizarre break. Our second auto here today is a Sign of the Times. That's Tyson Barrie. Sign of the Times. Tyson Barrie. Well, I'm not going to recap all the inserts because I have a feeling the camera app on my phone is going to crash again. We'll quickly recap what was a bizarre box. Mikhail Burden, non-auto Future Watch. Spectrum Igor Shesterkin. Future Watch Spectrum Bowen Byram. Autographed Future Watch Alexander Romanov. And a Sign of the Times, Tyson Barrie. Well, folks, that was one of the most bizarre breaks I'm ever posting on here. I am dumbfounded for what just happened, but yeah, that is this break. Box break number 430. Just a totally strange break that it has me dumbfounded, but hey, Cup's out today, and we'll likely have a break of that up tomorrow. So, folks, if you did enjoy this totally bizarre break, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got plenty more box breaks, mystery pack Mondays, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads to come, and quite possibly a cup break tomorrow. So I'm really hoping we can get one up. So, folks, thanks again for tuning in to this absolutely bizarre break.